Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding. So hey y'all, welcome back. Today is February the 11th, and we got snow. We got snow today. So that, you know what that means? The kids are here with me. Mommy. Yes, Think. You wanna go outside in the snow? Yeah. So yeah, we got snow and we are cleaning up. So we're gonna take advantage of this snow day and clean the house. Yep. And Jay doesn't have daycare either, of course.
This
so.
stuff on the floor.
What is that? A Pop-Tart piece. So yeah, we are in the midst of cleaning up. The kids is not really happy with me because I'm making them clean up. But you know what? If I don't make them clean up, it'll never get done. Because I'm not being nobody's maid. It's okay. And I know there's some parents out there that feel the same way that I feel. So I'm cleaning the kitchen and stuff in here, and they cleaning their rooms up. With, like I always try to tell them, keep it clean. You have to worry about cleaning up a lot. Put up stuff when you take it out. Put it back. It's simple. Simple, simple, simple. But anyways, like I said, we got snow today. It's supposed to be snowing for like 2 days straight. So it's supposed to be today, which is Tuesday and Wednesday. Supposed to be like an ice storm and all that stuff too. But yeah. And then the last time I came on here was when I was at Chili's with the family. And y'all seen our food and stuff. Yeah, I think that's the last time I was on. So yeah, hey girl, hey. Hope you're having a great day. Because we are about to, I'm not going to cook because I'm going to let the kids eat cereal today. Then I'll probably cook something later on. But yeah. You probably going to eat cereal. That's probably what you're going to eat.
I thought later on.
I don't know. I know what you're going to eat later on. It's going to be something though.
No, I want some chips.
So yeah, that's that. I had said something about going to get them a sled, but you know, the way they've been acting today, because they want to be on their phones and tablets all day, I don't know what's going to happen. Because like where we at, I can like walk to Sheetz or somewhere, or even Kroger to get like a sled. But you know, I don't know.
I don't want these. They're just too late.
I was in the process of opening it, so yeah. I got this from couponing. I've been on my couponing spree, sis. I've been couponing and stuff at Dollar General and saving, honey. I mean saving a lot. You know, this day and time, you gotta figure out something for your household because if you don't, you could be hurting. So yeah, I got this. It's a Airwick Essential Mist Diffuser, and the scent is linen and petals. What's that? What is it? Huh? I don't understand. We're not bringing that up in here.
I don't need it. No. Hey guys, look what I made last night.
Excuse me. Anyways.
I don't need it.
Alright, so I got the batteries in. They go like this. And I got the little diffuse stuff in there. And I said this is linen and petals. Ooh, smells really good. And it just pops in there like that. And just screw the back of it on. Then it got a knob on the back. I don't know if you can see it right here. So I got a knob right there. You just turn it on. Wow. So I'm gonna put this back on the counter. Just like that. I probably turn it down some. But it smells great. It smells really good. Just like that. I didn't turn it down. Yeah, it smells really good. I didn't had it for a while, but I'm just now putting it together. And like I said, this comes from my couponing.
That smells good, Mommy.
So I know a lot of people. I don't know if y'all have like Dollar Generals where you're located or whatever. And I know a lot of people be sleeping on Dollar General. But a lot of stuff, you start couponing using their app, you get a whole lot of stuff for cheap. But food-wise, toilet tissue, paper towels, game products, I don't know if they do Tide. Well, I know they have Tide, but I don't know if they have like coupon stuff because I don't use Tide. But different cleaning products and stuff. A1, I'm telling you. And then you had that $5 off 25. Y'all better get into it. And say that coin. You understand me, honey? You understand me, sis? You gotta say that coin. But yeah, I'll be back. Hey y'all, welcome back. So it's later in the day. I don't know why I always say, hey y'all, welcome back. I mean, like, it's not the same day. So I went ahead and did my nails. This is what they look like. Let me show you this hand. They look like that. I think I did a good job for me. This being like my first time actually doing like the heart design.
Mommy, I can see.
Yeah, you gotta keep your hands under there. So I am in the process of doing Jalen's nails. Let me let her show you. She getting her nails done. She wants some hearts too, and then Genesis, I'm gonna do her nails as well. So that's been pretty much our snow day. We've been just cleaning up and painting nails. Basically doing nothing. Basically. I didn't go outside. I took King out maybe one time. Well, it was one time. It was this morning. Don't do that, Jay. Keep your hands up under that thing. So yeah, I took King out early this morning. The kids been taking him back and forth and stuff outside. And now Jalen just sitting here like she know her nails cute, girl. She just know her nails cute. Let me see. They're not dry.
You make your nails cute, darlings.
They are dry. And now she want a little heart on her nail. Which nail you want your heart on? Let's do your ring finger. And do this finger. Pick which one you want your heart on.
What's my list cute, darlings?
Which one? Where you want your heart at? Your thumb?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna give her a small itty bitty little heart. I'm gonna try to anyway. Cause y'all know I'm new to this. I ain't true to this, okay? Okay. Amen and amen again, okay? See how she do with being still. She do pretty good being still though. You want it on your thumb and let's put it right here. On your thumb and right here, okay? Your ring finger and your thumb. Let me find the white again. I thought I had two whites. Can you tell the people hi?
Hi.
Hey.
Ma, big color. What is it?
It's pink. You know what color it is.
Pink?
Lisa. You gotta be still.
Ma, why take it to the
Hold on. Just like that.
When vision problems arise and it's time to see a specialist, Elon Eye Center has you covered. We have Lynchburg's only two specialists.
Hold on there.
Ha.
A heart. We're trying to get to the heart stage. Let's see. Hold on, wait, be still. Be still. Alright, you gotta be still for your heart be gone. You gotta let your heart go. Ta-da! You like that? Okay. Maybe I should have did it like this, Jay. Let me wipe it off. I wiped it off, Jay. BRB. Now I'm about to do Genesis nails, and she want pink, same as me and Jalen.
And the same design. I want the same design. Design. I want the same design as my mom.
Sorry, I turned the TV down a little bit. Oh, and she wants the same design, you guys. I don't know how that's gonna. It's gonna be similar. It's going dead. But yeah, I'm just letting you know I'm going ahead and paint her nails because my battery's about to go to Zad. Okay? Yeah. Y'all, they flying through here like they about to hit somebody. So you did what I did? I stopped. They ain't hitting me. They just rolling. Crazy part. So we done made it to Kroger, as you can see. Got my little grocery bag. Oh, they got some deals up in here today. I can come back later. My main focus right now is to go get some chicken. Do y'all ever be in the store and you push in the basket and then you accidentally hit your shin, your leg on the doggone metal part of the basket? It hurts. It really, really hurts. items.